Welcome to Green Profit Cultivate. Today, we're starting our journey into backyard chicken farming. You might be wondering, why raise chickens? Well, chickens are more than just egg producers. They provide fresh, healthy food for your family, help control garden pests, and even give you natural fertilizer for your plants. Plus, keeping chickens is fun, educational, and can save you money in the long run. Not all chickens are the same. Some are great egg layers, others are better for meat, and some are dual purpose. For beginners, it's best to start with friendly hardy breeds like Rhode Island Reds, Sussex, or Leghorns. If you live in a colder area, look for cold hardy breeds. If it's hot where you live, go for heat-tolerant ones. Your chickens need a safe and comfortable home. A good coop protects them from predators, harsh weather, and gives them space to sleep and lay eggs. Plan for at least 2 to 3 square feet of coop space per chicken, plus a run or outdoor area. Don't forget proper ventilation and secure doors. Chickens are healthy and productive when they eat well. The main diet is commercial chicken feed, which comes in starter, grower, and layer formulas depending on age. You can also give kitchen scraps like vegetables and fruits, but avoid salty, oily, or spoiled food. Always provide clean water. Chickens drink more than you think. For stronger eggshells, add crushed oyster shells or calcium supplements. Healthy chickens are happy chickens. Keep their coop clean by removing droppings and changing bedding often. Watch for signs of sickness, like loss of appetite, droopy wings, or unusual droppings. Vaccinations help prevent common diseases, and dust baths help them stay parasite-free. Handle your chickens gently to keep them stress-free. Chickens need daily attention, but it's simple. Each day, feed them, refresh water, and collect eggs. Let them out to forage if possible, and always lock the coop at night. In hot weather, provide shade and cool water. In cold seasons, insulate the coop and prevent frostbite by keeping it dry. Every chicken keeper faces challenges. Predators like dogs, hawks, or snakes may try to attack, so make sure the coop is secure. Sometimes hens stop laying due to age, stress, or poor diet. You might also face noise complaints from neighbors. Good communication, proper care, and a well-built coop solve most problems. Congratulations, you now know the basics of backyard chicken farming. Remember, start small, learn as you go, and enjoy the process. Chickens reward you with food, fertilizer, and joy. If you're ready for the next step, explore advanced topics like incubating chicks or building larger coops. Happy chicken keeping!